Have you ever felt like you're constantly chasing after something or someone, only to find that the harder you chase, the more distant they become? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? But what if I told you that the Stoic philosophy provides a powerful approach that involves stepping back, staying silent, and watching others come to you? This might sound counterintuitive, but there's a profound Stoic truth hidden in this practice. In today's video, we're going to explore why this power move is one of the most effective strategies you can adopt in your personal and professional life in 2025. Today's video is all about understanding how to harness the Stoic wisdom of stepping back and staying silent. This approach is not about passivity or indifference. It's about strategically detaching from situations where your energy is being drained. By doing so, you allow others to see your value, and in the process, you attract the right people and opportunities into your life. Whether you're navigating relationships, career challenges, or personal growth, this Stoic practice can help you regain control and inner peace. Stick with us as we delve deeper into how this simple yet profound Stoic move can change the way you approach life in 2025. Understanding Stoicism, the foundation of the power move. To fully understand the power behind stepping back, we need to first grasp the core of Stoicism. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control and to accept what isn't. This applies to our emotions, reactions, and the events around us. The Stoic belief is that by learning to control our inner world, we gain the power to handle external situations with calm and resilience. In relationships and in life, we often find ourselves chasing after things that are beyond our control, be it the approval of others, success, or love. However, Stoicism teaches that by letting go of our attachment to these external outcomes, we become more in control of our lives. The key is to invest our energy in the areas where we can have an impact: our thoughts, actions, and self-improvement, rather than trying to change others or force situations to unfold in our favor. When you apply this mindset, you realize that stepping back from the pursuit of external validation isn't a form of weakness, but a strength. This is the first step in embracing the Stoic power move of letting things come to you. By focusing inwardly, you create a strong foundation for the outer world to respond in kind. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. This insight is at the heart of Stoic practice. It's about mastering yourself first, which naturally leads to attracting the right people and opportunities. 2. The power of detachment. Letting go of attachment to outcomes. In Stoicism, detachment is not about abandoning love, connection, or passion. Rather, it's about freeing yourself from the need to control every outcome. Think about how many times we've become frustrated or anxious when things don't go the way we plan. We invest emotional energy in outcomes that are beyond our control, whether it's the actions of others, the success of a project, or the approval of peers. Stoicism teaches us that these attachments are a source of unnecessary suffering. Why practicing detachment? We recognize that we cannot force or rush outcomes. This concept is illustrated beautifully in Epictetus's teachings, where he emphasizes that we should focus on what we can control: our thoughts, actions, and responses. We must let go of the need to control everything around us. Instead, we invest in our own growth, becoming better versions of ourselves, and trust that the right circumstances will unfold naturally. When you detach from the outcome, you no longer seek constant validation from others. You understand that your happiness doesn't depend on external factors. This inner peace and stability are attractive qualities, and people are naturally drawn to those who radiate self-assurance and calm. By stepping back, you allow others the space to come forward on their own. They are then more likely to appreciate you for who you truly are, rather than for what you can give them. The power of detachment lies in understanding that we don't need to chase after everything. Life will bring opportunities, relationships, and growth when the time is right. And your role is to be ready for it when it happens. 3. Silence as a form of strength. The art of not reacting in our fast-paced world. We are often encouraged to express our opinions, voice our thoughts, and react instantly to situations. Yet, one of the most powerful Stoic practices is learning the art of silence, especially in moments of tension or conflict. By remaining silent, we don't let emotions or impulsive reactions control our behavior. Instead, we choose to act with wisdom and self-control, allowing us to maintain our inner peace in even the most challenging situations. Silence, in this context, is a conscious decision to refrain from engaging in unnecessary drama or conflict. It's about observing situations and choosing not to react unless it's absolutely necessary. In Meditations, Marcus Aurelius reflects on the importance of keeping a calm mind in the face of adversity, saying, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." When you choose silence, you communicate strength and composure. You don't rush to fill every silence with words or explanations. Instead, you let the silence speak for itself. This allows others to take the time to reflect on their actions and approach you with a clearer understanding. In relationships, this power move can be incredibly effective. When you're silent instead of reacting, people are often forced to reconsider their behavior. By withholding your response, you put yourself in a position of control, and this quiet strength draws others toward you. People are naturally attracted to those who exude calmness and composure, and your silence becomes a tool for self-mastery and influence. 4. The importance of self-value. Knowing your worth without seeking validation. Self-worth is a central principle of Stoicism. The Stoics believe that true happiness comes from within, not from external validation. When you step back, stay silent, and stop chasing after approval from others, you align yourself with this fundamental truth. Instead of constantly seeking others' recognition, you focus on developing yourself and understanding your own value. By knowing your worth, you no longer need external validation to feel secure or valued. This internal confidence radiates outwardly, attracting people who genuinely appreciate you for who you are, not for what you can do for them. It's important to understand that your value is not tied to others' opinions or judgments. It is inherent in your character, actions, and mindset. When you stop chasing others, they begin to see your worth. In relationships, both personal and professional, people gravitate towards those who understand their own value and maintain their boundaries. This self-respect creates a healthy dynamic where others learn to appreciate you for who you truly are. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." By cultivating self-awareness and self-respect, you can handle any situation with grace and attract the right people who value you for your authentic self, not for what you provide. 5. patience, and trust in the process. Allowing time for things to unfold. Patience is one of the most challenging virtues to cultivate, especially in a world that constantly demands instant results. However, the Stoics understood that true power lies in waiting for the right moment rather than forcing things to happen before their time. By practicing patience, we embrace the understanding that not everything needs to be rushed. Some things, especially the most valuable, take time to develop. When you practice patience, you not only give others the space to approach you, but you also allow life to unfold naturally. Whether in business, relationships, or personal development, many of the best outcomes come when we stop pushing for immediate results. Trusting the process means that you can maintain peace, regardless of how long it takes for things to come to fruition. This mindset also helps you avoid the anxiety of needing everything to happen right now. The Stoic belief is that everything happens in its own time, and our job is to remain steadfast and steady in our pursuit of virtue and personal growth. When you step back and trust that life will unfold in the right way, you align yourself with the natural flow of events, which leads to greater fulfillment and peace. Stepping back, staying silent, and watching others come to you might seem like a passive approach, but it's deeply rooted in Stoic wisdom. By practicing detachment, embracing silence, knowing your worth, and having patience, you can transform the way you engage with others and navigate life's challenges. This power move helps you regain control over your own life, attract the right people, and create the circumstances you desire. While aligning yourself with Stoic principles, you unlock a deeper sense of peace and confidence. If this Stoic power move resonates with you, make sure to subscribe for more Stoic insights and practical advice to live a more peaceful and purposeful life.